I'm going to show you the best free and unlimited VPN you can use for Germany. However, if you're specifically looking for German servers, I'll also show you another free VPN that provides IP addresses specifically from Germany. Let's start with Proton VPN, as it is the most secure free VPN. It is open source, has a strict no-logs policy that has been independently audited, and is based in Switzerland, a country known for having the strongest data protection laws in the world. It offers good speeds, works on any device and operating system, and can even be installed on a router. To get Proton VPN, you need to visit the free version page. A direct link is provided in the description, which will take you to the appropriate page. Then, click on the option that says Get Proton VPN Free. Enter your email address to create a free account, download the software, and install it like any other application. Once installed, log in using the email and password from the account you created. The interface is simple and connecting is easy. Just click on Quick Connect and it will automatically connect you to the fastest server available in one of the 5 supported countries: United States, Japan, Netherlands, Poland, or Romania. Under the Change Server option, you can also switch randomly between different IP addresses, servers, and countries, although there's a mandatory wait of about 1.5 minutes between each switch. While Proton VPN's free version is excellent, its premium version offers more with over 4,900 high-speed servers in 91 countries, including Germany. It also unlocks access to all major streaming platforms, has specialized servers for torrenting, and includes features such as an ad tracker and malware blocker. If you specifically need a free VPN with IP addresses from Germany, Tuxler VPN is another good option. It's a free and unlimited residential VPN offering access to 300,000 IP addresses across 116 countries, including Germany. With Tuxler VPN's free version, you can bypass geo-restrictions, IP blocks, and internet censorship. It also supports peer-to-peer connections, meaning it allows torrent downloads. While it has many advantages, there are also some drawbacks. Its privacy and security policies are questionable. It is only available on Windows and Mac, no mobile apps. It tends to be slow, and it only permits 10 location changes per day. To get Tuxler VPN, go to its official website. In this example, using Windows, select the Windows version and click on Download for free. Wait for the installer to finish downloading, then proceed with the installation by clicking through the prompts: Accept, Next, Next, and Install. Once installed, click on Finish, and the Tuxler VPN interface will open. To connect, simply click the Connect button. It connects automatically and randomly, but you can manually choose Germany and even change the city. However, city selection is random unless you have the premium plan. To disconnect, just click the same button again to return to your original IP address. Another VPN option that includes Germany among its free server locations is Privado VPN. It's a secure VPN that respects privacy and has a zero-logs policy. It works on all types of devices, but its free plan is a bit hidden. The link in the description will take you to the correct page. Click on Get Privado VPN, scroll down slightly, and select Try Free Plan. The site may try to steer you toward the premium version by highlighting its features, but keep scrolling and choose Continue with Free. Then, you can proceed by entering your email in the provided box and clicking Create your free account. After verifying your email, download and install the software. You'll then have access to a list of 12 server locations you can connect to for free, including Germany, with a 10 GB monthly data limit. Using a VPN in Germany can help you access international content and protect your online privacy. NordVPN is a top choice for users in Germany due to its fast servers and strong security protocols. Check out the link in the description to subscribe to NordVPN and enjoy a more open and secure internet experience.